Welcome to What's for Dinner Tonight, my darlings, and welcome to Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. Here's another episode. You're probably looking at all of this and thinking, what the heck is this? Well, we've got some eggs that we need to use up. I grated some mozzarella cheese. I have a sausage here that I made. We had sausages the other night, so we had one left over. I'm going to chop this up. And we even have some ends of crust here. I'm going to use some toast for my hubby, and we're going to do like a scrambled sort of cheesy sausage veggie bake with some tomatoes here, the different types of tomatoes that need to be used up. So if you're interested in this, please stay tuned. I'm just going to whisk these up, these eggs. I just have the peppers on. There's like 6 eggs in here, so you got to whisk it really well. Woo. So we're going to put this cheese in, grate it all, put it all around, make it nice and cheesy. This is just all stuff that needs to be used up and left over, and you can make a pretty good meal out of all that. I'm just going to turn this down a little bit. I put the sausage in already. So I just chopped up some of the different types of cherry tomatoes, salt and pepper, and they're going to go in this as well, but probably at the very end because I don't really like wilted tomatoes. They're all right, but I just like them a little bit tasting fresher. So here is what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. And this is all due to things that needed to be used up or left over. And I put some green beans there as well. So my hubby's already eating and he says that he's enjoying it. So there you have it, something quick and easy on a weekday night meal. Just look around your fridge, shop your fridge, and who knows what you can put together. I hope this helps you out, and thank you for all your love and support and for watching. And remember, believe in yourself. I believe in you, and you truly will go far. And happy eating. Toodaloo.
It's wonderful.